What is up everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi calling not working in Narzo 70 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can see your airplane mode. Now here you can turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times, then scroll down and click on system and update, and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone, and here you can see the option erase all data. Now click on it, and here enter your password for erase all your data. Erase all data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents. Everything will be removed in your device. After do factory data reset, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.